So what we need to do here is give the title of your fieldwork inquiry that involved the collection of physical geography data. So just a quick reminder, the title is, to what extent does sediment size change as you move along Christchurch Bay? So to what extent, this is the question now, to what extent did your data presentation techniques help you draw conclusions to your inquiry? Remembering again, it's a 9, so it's a 6 marker here, but the key word is to what extent. So I'm just going to underline that. That means I need to say, well, yes, it did. However, maybe it didn't. So I used a scatter graph to present my data. The x-axis was distance along the beach. The y-axis was sediment size. The 9 points, average sediment size for each site, showed a clear negative correlation with distance, helping me draw the conclusion that sediment size decreased east along the bay. The averages made it reliable, and I was able to draw a line of best fit which backed up this clear correlation. So that's my 4 argument. On the other hand, the scatter graph showed that site 4 was an anomaly, 92.3 millimetres, which was higher than the other sites. This made me doubt the accuracy of my results. We only collected 20 stones from each site, which reduced the reliability of my conclusion. Overall, my scatter graph helped me conclude that the sediment size decreased to east. So let's have a look at the question again. Have we said to what extent? Yes, in the first paragraph. To some extent, there was a bit of a problem in the second. We've identified that. And how did this help me draw my conclusions? Well, at the end there, I've said, well, actually it did. And I've used that word conclude to help the person out who's marking it. And I've clearly linked that to conclusions in the question. So level 3, got specific evidence, and I've explained my points and linked back to the question.